Are you looking for a top-rated construction dumpster rental in McGregor, Texas? Flat Creek Solutions has you covered. Whether you're breaking ground on a new project or managing a large-scale construction project, we offer sturdy dumpsters perfect for handling all your construction debris, from concrete to wood and metal. With flexible rental periods, prompt delivery, and reliable service, we ensure your project stays on track without disruptions. Our experienced team is here to help you choose the right dumpster size, ensuring efficient waste management tailored to your specific needs. At Flat Creek Solutions, we're committed to supporting the McGregor community by providing reliable and efficient construction dumpster rental services. We partner with local contractors and builders, providing fast deliveries, quick pickups, and exceptional service, all at competitive prices that fit your budget. Our mission at Flat Creek Solutions is to be more than just a service provider. We aim to be your trusted partner for all your construction needs, ensuring your projects run smoothly and efficiently. Ready to streamline your construction site? Call us at 254-307-9211 or visit www.flatcreeksolutions.com. Dumpster Rental McGregor TX to book your construction dumpster rental today. Flat Creek Solutions, your reliable ally in every construction endeavor.